नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome you all. I welcome all the living Hindus, practicing Hindus from all over the world. I welcome all the visitors, viewers, Sarvanyapeta Kartas, Yajamans, Manifestors, Sarvaparityagis, Srimahans, Mahans, Kotaris, Tanedars, Kayakalpa Yoga participants, Kailasas, E-Gurukul students, Kailasas, NHU students, and all the Paramashivoham season 4 participants starting today. I welcome all of you who are sitting with us through Kailasa TV, Kailasas NTV, Kailasas HNTV, Kailasas Enlighten app. I welcome all of you with my love and respect. Now, we have great celebrations today. The Kalladhar festival, the climax of Chittirai Brahmotsavam, where Mahavishnu comes to give liberation to Manduga Maharishi. Sundara Raja Perumal comes to Vaigai river to give liberation for Mandukya Maharishi. All over the world, all Sarvanyapetams are celebrating this festival. Adi Kailasa, the Sundara Raja Perumal is gracing in Rajata Ashwavahanam for the Leela of liberating Manduga Maharishi. Today also is Chitra Paurnami, the anniversary of the present campus, Arunachala Sarvanyapeetam Tiruvannamalai Adinam. I cannot celebrate the anniversary of the Arunachala Sarvanyapeetam because that is older than time, because only after Paramashiva manifested in Arunachala, time started. Time started much after Paramashiva manifested in Arunachala, so it is older than time. But the present campus, we are celebrating the anniversary. On 2008 we started. It means 12 years over and 13th year we are entering. Today also is the great Leela of Sarveshwara Pratyangara Shulini Durga manifestation. Sarveshwara Pratyangara and Shulini Durga manifest and take Narasimha back to Vaikunta. So, we will be offering worship for Sarveshwara Pratyangara Shulini Durga also. And today is also the Vishak day, Buddha's birth, enlightenment and Mahaparinirvana. All the three. We will be celebrating all these Utsavas now. Let's offer our worship and devotion to all of them.
Om Shantakaradakusayanam Bhatnanabhavisham Vishwangaganasurusham Megharubhangam Lakshmikantam Kamalanayanam Yogi Buddhamyam Vande Bhavabhayaharam Sarva सर्वलोकम् मेघश्मम् पीतकौतेयरासम् श्रीवत्साङ्गम् सुबोद्भासिताङ्गम् पुण्योपेतम् पुण्डरायताक्षम् विष्णुवे भवभयहरम् सर्वलोकैकनाथम् अथ धूपः ॐ भूरसिधूर्वदूर्वन्धूर्वदञ्यो स्वान् श्रीसुन्दरराजस्वामिनः धूपमागामि अथ दीपः ॐ दीप्स्वजातवेदोपग्निर्मम पशुग्रस्तमत्यमावहजीवनं च दिशो दिश मानवहिगुं चीर्जातवेदोगामश्वं जगत् अभिप्रत्यग्रहि श्रिया महापरिपातय श्रीसुन्दरराजस्वामिने नमो नमः एकार्धीवर्षणी अमृतोद्भवे अमर्षणी अमृतं श्रावय श्रावय स्वाहा श्रीसुन्दरराजस्वामिने नमो नमः नैवेद्यं निवेदयामि सत्यम्बरं ब्रह्मपुरुषं कृष्णपिङ्गलम् ऊर्ध्वरेदम्बरोपाक्षं विश्वरूपाय वै नमः सर्वमेव तेनाप्नोति सर्वं जयति नमः सर्वदेवी भगवते श्री नित्यानंद परम शिवाय नमः कर्पूर
The present campus of Aruna Tiruvannamalai Adinam is offering 108 Naivedyams at the feet of His Divine Holiness Swamiji, and they are offering the Arati on this auspicious occasion of the anniversary of the present campus of Arunachala Sarvajna Peetham.
धूर्वस्मान् धूर्वजितं वजं वजं धूर्वस्नितमं पप्रमं देवभूतममसानन्दरगुहस्वमा प्रेक्षमात्वाहिंतिशं सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय नित्यानन्द परम शिवाय नमः उपमाग्रापजामि ओद्दीप्य स्वदातभिन्नरतिं मम गुस्तमत्यमावहजीवनं च मानोहिगं श्रीर्जगामश्वम्बुरुषं जगते पृथक् न आगहि श्रीयामहदय श्रीदेवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्रीनित्यानन्द परम शिवाय नमः दीपयामि ॐ मधुवाताय मधुक्षरन्ति सन्धाः सन्तोषधीः मधुनक्तमसि मधुनः पार्थिवमृत्मधुद्योरच्युन्नः मधुमान्नस्तसूर्यः दीर्घावो भवन्तु नः मधु 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 श्री सर्वदेवदेव्या भगवते श्री नित्यानन्द परम शिवाय नमः नैवेद्यं निवेदयामि नमः कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि श्री सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानन्द परम शिवाय नमः कर्पूरनीराजनं सन्दर्शयामि रक्षां धारयामि
on this auspicious day when Paramashiva and Parashakti in the form of Sharabheshwara Swami and Pratyangira Devi performed the Leela of taking back Narasimha Swami to his abode, Vaikuntha. We are now offering worship at the feet of Sri Sharabheshwara Swami and Pratyangira Devi in Adi Kailasa Nityananda Peetham. रक्ताभं सुप्रसन्नं त्रिनयनममृतोन्मत्तभूषाभिरामं कारुण्यां बोधिमीशं वरदमभयदं चन्द्ररेखावतंसं शङ्खद्भाताखिलाशा प्रतिहत विधिना भासमानात्मभासं सर्वेशं सालुवेशं प्रणतभयहरं पक्षिराजं नमामि। ओम धूरसि धूर्वधूर्वन्तं धूर्वतयो ओस्मान् धूर्वति तन्धूर्वयं वयं धूर्वामस्त्वं देवानामधिष्ठितमं वप्रितमं जुष्टतमं वह्नितमं देवहूतममहृतमसि हविर्धानन्द्रिगं हस्वमाह्वार्मित्रस्य त्वा चक्षुषा प्रेक्षेमा भेर्मा संविक्ता मात्वा हिंसम्। ओम श्री शरभेश्वर स्वामिने नमो नमः। धूपमाघ्रापयामि। ओम उद्दीप्य स्वजात वेदोपघ्ननिरुतिं मम पशुगश्च मह्यमावह जीवनं च दिशो दिशा मानो हिंसी जातवेदो गामश्वं जगत् अबिभ्रदग्नागहि श्रियामा परिपातय। ओम श्री शरभेश्वर स्वामिने नमो नमः। एकहारती दीपं सन्दर्शयामि। ओम अमृते अमृतोद्भवे अमृतवर्षिणी अमृतं श्रावय श्रावय स्वाहा। ओम श्री शरभेश्वर स्वामिने नमो नमः। नानाविधानि नैवेद्यानि निवेदयामि। ओम सालुवेशाय विद्महे पक्षिराजाय धीमहि तन्नः शरभः प्रचोदयात्। सर्वस्याप्ते सर्वस्य जित्ते सर्वमेव तेनाप्नोति सर्वं जयति। ओम श्री शरभेश्वर स्वामिने नमो नमः। सर्वदेव देवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानंद परमशिवाय नमो नमः। महामंगल नीराजनं सन्दर्शयामि। कक्षां धारयामि। सिंहीं सिंहमुखीं सखीं भगवतीं श्रीभैरवोल्लसत्शूलस्थूलकपालपाशडमरु व्याघ्राग्रहस्ताम्बुजां दंष्ट्राकोटिविशङ्कटास्य कुहराम् आरक्तनेत्रत्रयीं बालेन्दुद्युतिमौलिकां भगवतीं प्रत्यङ्गिरां भावये।
ओम धूरसि धूर्वधूर्वन्तं धूर्वतयः अस्मान् धूर्वतितं धूर्वजं वयं धूर्वामः। श्री प्रत्यङ्गिरादेवी नमो नमः। धूपमाग्रापयामि। ओम उद्दीप्य स्वजात वेदोपघ्ननिरुतिं मम पशुगोच्चमध्यमाः भजीवनं च दिशा दिशा मानाहं धीर्जात वेदो गामश्वं पुरुषं जगत् अशुप्रदग्नागहि श्रियां परिपातय। श्री प्रत्यङ्गिरादेवी नमो नमः। दीपं दर्शयामि। ओम अमृते अमृतोद्भवे अमृतवर्षिणी अमृतं श्रावय श्रावय स्वाहा। श्री प्रत्यङ्गिरादेवी नमो नमः। नैवेद्यं निवेदयामि। सर्वस्याप्ते सर्वस्य जित्ते सर्वमेव तेनाप्नोति सर्वं जयति। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। श्री प्रत्यङ्गिरादेवी नमो नमः। सर्वदेव देवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानंद परमशिवाय नमः। सर्वोपचारपूजार्थे सर्वापराधक्षमा प्राप्ते समस्तमङ्गलप्राप्त्यर्थे कर्पूरनीराजनं सन्दर्शयामि। ओम बृहत्सामक्षत्रं बृहद्वृष्ण्यं वृषभोदशुभदमुग्रवीरम् इन्द्रस्तोमेन पञ्चदशेन मध्यमितं वातेन सगरेण रक्षां धारयामि।
Paramashiva's message directly from Kailasa. Listen. Today, formally, Paramashiva, myself, inaugurating Paramashivoham Level 2, Season 4, Manifestations. Understand? Paramashivoham Level 2 program, it is actually not a program, it's a lifestyle initiation. It is just upgrading your consciousness, your being. Bring intense sincerity, sincere intensity into this Paramashivoham Level 2 Season 4. I commit with you all. I will initiate all of you, bless you all with Shaktipada, Shaktinipada, and above all, I myself will manifest the state, space, powers, being, superconsciousness and Kailasa of Paramashiva in all of us. Understand? Paramashivoham Level 2 program starts but never ends, and it is never the same again. So I'll highly recommend every one of you go through once more intensely, sincerely. After all, whole world is locked. You are all in home. Instead of sitting with your depression, sit with me, Paramashiva. Either you sit with your depression or you sit with me, Paramashiva. You choose. Almost the whole world is locked, I tell you. It is never going to open again anymore the same old way. Old world order is melting down. I am formally declaring on this day. Mark my words. The post-COVID-19, the world is not going to be the same pre-COVID-19. Old world order is melting down. Enlightened civilization need to be manifested now. I tell you, neither old world order is useful for humanity, nor the new world order will be useful for humanity. Ancient world order only is going to be useful for humanity. So the ancient world order, Kailasa, is going to be revived. Understand? Neither old world order nor new world order, but ancient world order, Kailasa, need to be revived, and that is only going to be the permanent ultimate solution. So understand, I invite every one of you, come and settle down. intensely and sincerely with Paramashivoham level 2, season 4. Let's all make the ancient civilization, ancient world order as living world order. Let us revive the ancient, enlightened Hindu civilization, Kailasa. And I welcome all of you to register for Paramashivoham level 2, season 4 by going to paramashivoham.org. And even if you have attended already any program, please go through this Paramashivoham level 2, season 4 intensely, sincerely, intensely, because it is going to be absolutely new and different level. Now, the Acharyas have evolved, and I have all the tools and accessories ready to manifest more and more and reveal more and more to all of you. So I request, highly recommend all of you go through the Paramashivoham level 2, season 4, even if you have already attended any other program including Paramashivoham level 2. If you have not attended Paramashivoham level 2, please don't miss it this time. If you already attended the Paramashivoham level 2, please don't miss it this time. And with this announcement, I also wanted to tell you, please go through all the sessions intensely, sincerely. Don't think strategically you can be very intelligent coming and attending only my darshans and my sessions and Shaktipadas. Don't try to be strategical and very intelligent with Paramashiva. Be integrated to Paramashiva. Paramashiva expects your sincerity, not your strategic, intelligent ability to play with him. So, come with integrity, not with strategy to Paramashiva. I welcome every one of you to come and enjoy every session intensely, sincerely, and sincerely, intensely. This Paramashivoham level 2, season 4, and Paramashiva myself will manifest intensely the state, space, powers, being, superconsciousness and Kailasa of Paramashiva. With this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, living and radiating the state, space, powers, being, superconsciousness and Kailasa of Paramashiva. Paramashivoham Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. The eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.